Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will show you how to enter diagnostic mode on this Samsung freestanding electric range. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. There will be no tools needed for diagnostic mode. You will need power connected to enter diagnostics. To begin, you'll press clock, select 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by start. Next, you want to press clock and 1 at the same time and hold it for 3 seconds. As you can see, sometimes whenever you press it, you might hit clock first on accident. If it beeps at all, you're not pressing it correctly. It should come up with this screen showing you that you entered diagnostics successfully. Now, every time you go into this, it's going to show your most frequent or common error code first. This one is showing that we have no error code. To go to the next selection, you press 0. This is going to show the second error code that could be in there. So on and so forth. It does go through 5 error codes and goes right back to 1. Now the most common error codes you're going to find is going to be C20. This is referring to your oven sensor. So if this is popping up, I would definitely check the resistance of the oven temp sensor. The second one is C21. This is an oven heating over. This also could be because your oven sensor could be at the wrong ohm rating. You could have a shorted element, or maybe your relay on your main control is sticking, causing the element to stay on too long and causing it to overheat. Next, you have a CD0. This is a shorted key. Typically what I'd find is that heat will rise up, causing this UI to stick. Maybe one of the controls on it are dead, or you could have it where the plastic is oval back, pressing it constantly and shorting it out. Next, you have a CD1, and this is for the door lock mechanism. Typically for this to pop up, you have to go into self-clean. Make sure that your oven door lock is opening and closing correctly. Now to exit diagnostics, all you do is press clear, and it'll go back to your time setting, and this will complete diagnostics. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.